Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for ways to improve your health and wellness naturally, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into something really important: how yoga can help reduce cholesterol levels. We all know that high cholesterol can increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other health issues. But did you know that yoga, yes, yoga, can actually play a significant role in improving your cholesterol levels? Yoga is not just about flexibility and strength, it's also about mind-body balance and stress reduction. In today's video, I'll walk you through some of the best yoga poses specifically designed to lower cholesterol, boost heart health, and leave you feeling rejuvenated. So let's get started. Our first pose is the downward facing dog, a classic. This pose helps stretch your entire body, improve circulation, and relieve stress. It's also great for stimulating the thyroid, which plays a role in managing cholesterol production. When you're in this pose, press your hands firmly into the mat, lift your hips toward the ceiling, and keep your feet flat on the floor. Hold for a few breaths, focusing on stretching your spine and breathing deeply. Try to hold this for about 30 seconds, breathing deeply throughout. Remember, consistency is key in yoga. Next up, we have Cobra Pose. This pose helps open up the chest and improve circulation to the heart. It can also stimulate your digestive organs, helping to manage your cholesterol levels more effectively. To do Cobra Pose, lie on your stomach, palms on the floor just beneath your shoulders. Press your palms into the mat as you lift your chest up, keeping your elbows close to your body. The goal is to gently arch your back without straining. Hold this for 20 to 30 seconds and breathe deeply. This will help reduce stress and enhance heart health, a key factor in managing cholesterol. Now let's move on to Warrior 2, a strong and empowering pose. This one strengthens your legs, opens your hips, and stretches your arms, while also promoting stamina and cardiovascular health. To get into Warrior 2, step one leg back and bend your front knee, making sure your knee is directly above your ankle. Extend your arms parallel to the floor, gaze over your front hand, and keep your core engaged. It's important to stay strong and steady in this pose. Hold for 30 seconds to a minute on each side. Warrior 2 is fantastic for building strength, which in turn supports better heart health and cholesterol management. Now let's try Bridge Pose. This one is particularly helpful for opening up the chest, which is great for cardiovascular health. It also strengthens your glutes, legs, and lower back. To get into Bridge Pose, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips toward the ceiling and squeeze your glutes. Keep your arms by your sides, palms down, for support. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds and repeat a few times. This will help reduce stress and improve your blood circulation, which can ultimately help lower your cholesterol levels. Next, we have Seated Forward Fold. This pose helps to calm the nervous system, reduce stress, and improve circulation to the lower body, which helps lower cholesterol naturally. To perform this pose, sit on the floor with your legs extended straight in front of you. Inhale, lengthen your spine, and as you exhale, slowly fold forward, reaching for your feet or shins. Keep your spine long, and don't worry if you can't touch your toes. Just go as far as you comfortably can. Hold for about 30 seconds and focus on your breath. This calming pose can lower cortisol levels, which is essential when managing your cholesterol. Lastly, we have Child's Pose. This is a wonderful resting pose that helps relieve tension and calm the mind. It's a great way to finish your yoga practice, as it reduces stress and restores balance to your body. To get into Child's Pose, kneel on the floor with your big toes touching and knees spread apart. Sit back onto your heels and stretch your arms forward, lowering your chest to the mat. Focus on deep breathing to relax your entire body. Stay here for a minute or as long as you need to calm your mind and let your body relax. And there you have it. 6 amazing yoga poses to help reduce cholesterol and improve your overall heart health. Remember, yoga isn't just about the physical practice, it's also about creating a sense of calm and balance in your life. If you're new to yoga, start slow and listen to your body. Even just a few minutes a day can make a huge difference. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and yoga sequences. And let me know in the comments, what's your favorite yoga pose for heart health? I'd love to hear from you. Stay healthy, stay happy, and see you in the next video.